Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Boy, it's been a morning already. My husband decided for the birthday party he wasn't going to use garbage bags. So all of the fodder from the birthday party was in the garbage outside. And there are like straight line winds today. So guess what I've been doing? Chasing trash around my yard in the cold. So 2 days ago, we had the air conditioning on in the car because it was so hot. It snowed today. Welcome to Minnesota. Anyway, I was going through that box back there we were talking about the other day. It's milk glass. It's obviously like a compote bowl. It would have had a lid of some kind, but I think I can add it to my collection. Needs a bath. What do you think? I can add it to the collection. I was going through there trying to see what else was in there. I found these. I don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to try and figure out something to do with these today. Just two little picket fencey things. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with them. But I think first things first, we fill the staple holes. Because whatever I do with them, I'm not going to want to see the staple holes. So I think that's going to be the first order of business. Okay, I filled it with some crack spackle. And I used a hairdryer on them. Because smart. I read it out of time. Yeah, I got a late start today because I went shopping for baby gifts. And then the woman at the register says, "Is this for your grandchild?" Shut up. Let's just shut up. No. Sanding. We just need to get this taken down to the level it off. And that's all I'm going to do with that. So sand it. Okay. So I've sanded them and I smoothed out some of the edges too on them. Because I hate when they're all sharp and splintery on these ones that are raw wood. Now I have my all-in-one paint. So I don't need to prime it. But I've got Irish Garden. For those of you who are screaming, picket fences are supposed to be white. You paint your fence any color you want. I like blue. And this is Irish Garden is sort of a light blue. Gray blue. And garden. I'm about to put a second coat of paint on those. And I still don't know what I'm going to do with them. But we're going to get them painted. At the very least. Okay? Okay, I'm going to attempt to put these little guys up here as like hangers. I did paint the back one coat just because I felt like you would see it at certain angles. I didn't do a perfect job on the back because this is going to be my front. But I did paint it. Yeah, I had to drill them. It was starting to irritate the crap out of me. You know what? And I think I've got a plan. I think I have a plan for these now. They're going to be two different things. because why make two of the same? Why? Get two different things. Let's make something. Let's make something. I'm looking for... the gold wire. So this, I had purchased silver and gold, and I had used the silver not too long ago on a project, but I haven't used the gold wire yet. And since these were golden, let's go ahead and continue with the gold color. Okay. Now, let's do, I think I have an idea to do like either a jewelry hanger or a key hanger out of one. And then for the other one, you know, you've seen those ones that have like the wire and a jar or something on the front to hang flowers in. So I think I'm going to do that with the other one. And I don't think it matters which one's which at this point. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. But I think, you know what? We're going to embellish the jewelry hanger one a little bit with some flowers or something. I freaking hate this bird. I hate it. I will never use it for anything. I think I'm just going to be stuck with him forever. Scissors. Let's cut some flowers out of this. And then we're going to embellish the, like I said, the jewelry hanger one with some flowers. Okay. That. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Let's get the scraper. It's gonna be right. It's gonna be right. I think I'm gonna put this one. Layer that up a little bit. Well, I gotta move this in a little so you can see what I'm doing. And that just wrapped right around the corner for me. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Happy, happy, happy. And I didn't cut it before because I didn't know where I was actually going to lay it down. So now that I've got it in place, I can cut. It's looking cute, you guys. That's so cute. I'm going to put that pink one up here. I'm quite happy with that. That that turned out better than I anticipated. I'll be honest. I like that. Okay. I do want to clear coat this. So I'm going to take it outside. It is snowing, so I'm going to take it out, spray clear it, and then bring it right back in. Okay, while that one dries, this one is going to be the one that's going to hold our jar. And I think to do that, I'm going to mount these as the thing that's going to wire it on there. That would be really high up though, huh? Well, what jar am I using? I have this jar just holding my zip ties, so I think that's kind of the perfect size jar. And then I could put them, here. Right? Right? One on each side? Is that too high up? I want them down here. Now, where's that wire? Oh, come on. What did I do with the wire? Here it is. Now, there has to be enough wire to wrap around the collar and then wrap around. Ooh, look at that. Just pulled right out of there. Through. Come on. Push it through. Push it through. There we go. Ooh. It hangs. Why am I worried about that? It feels like it hangs too low. Oh, darn it. I feel like I should tighten that. That's too low. Look at that, that's too loose. Or the wire's too freaking, are you kidding me? This won't break. I keep this around for security. Actually, my sister gave me this. It's green, but who cares? Ah, there we go. Now it's not dipping way low. You could put little fake flowers in there and we will hang that one up. So that's done. I know I don't really trust this hanger either, but I think for now I'm going to leave it. And let's finish the other one. Oh, the clear coat dripped a little bit and I'm trying really hard not to care about that. This is going to trigger some people. Because I didn't do like a line across it. Do like a big thing. I didn't do any of that. I'm just eyeballing it. Cup hooks. Okay, I finished just in time because I got to go pick up my kiddo from school, but they're cute. I went from not having any idea what I was going to do with these to two really cute projects. I think I am going to put the heavy duty hangers on them. I'm worried about this, but other than that, this one's my favorite. My favorite. I love this. Love how that one turned out. I don't hate this either. I don't have any fake flowers to put in here. But these panels have been in my doom pile for several years because I didn't know what to do with them. I just thought they were cute, right? And when I don't have time to overthink it, because I'm not giving myself the time to overthink it, I am going to replace these because I feel like I could break this wire with my hands and I don't want that. Other than that, these are done. So another doom pile project. That box is almost empty. Like there's a couple things in there. There's glass and stuff like that. That's just going to have to find a safer home. And then a couple other little projects in there. And we're going to get rid of a box. I'm very excited. This one made me really happy because that box is getting empty. And I had no idea what to do with these. Even when I started and I was filling them, I'm looking around going, what can I do with these? What do I do with these? And I went on Pinterest, and I did not see a lot on Pinterest either because there's not a lot of these little, you can find these, I think, still at like Michael's and stuff, and they're unfinished wood projects. So that part's fine. It's just, there wasn't a whole lot to see. So, yay! I'm glad they're done. And I'm really glad that hopefully in the next few days, we're going to finish that box. All right. Happy checking, you guys. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.